Upbeat, mysterious intro music fades in, and then softens to a background hum. Ever looked up at the night sky and wondered, where did we come from? Not just us, but everything. Our planet, our oceans, the very water we drink. In January 2005, NASA launched one of its most daring missions, Deep Impact, to answer one of the biggest questions in human history. Where did Earth's water come from? The probe traveled over 270 million kilometers to rendezvous with a mysterious comet, an ancient wanderer from the far reaches of our solar system. Hidden inside this cosmic snowball were secrets that scientists had chased for centuries. Welcome back to Factopia, where we unravel the greatest mysteries of the universe. From the birth of planets to the very origins of life itself. Out of all the countless stars and galaxies we can see, there seems to be only one tiny blue dot where we can survive. Planet Earth. It's almost as if it was perfectly designed for life, with just the right balance of water, oxygen, and nutrients. It's a vibrant oasis in the cold, dark void of space. But billions of years ago, there was no Earth. Where our world now spins was just a vast, swirling cloud of dust and gas floating at the edge of the Milky Way. This was a molecular cloud, a cosmic nursery filled with silicon, sand, and the leftover stardust from long-dead stars. Over millions of years, gravity, the invisible force that holds the universe together, began to work its magic. It pulled the particles of this cloud closer and closer. As they collided and clumped together, the core of the cloud grew hotter and denser, until ignition, a massive fireball erupted into existence, our sun. The leftover dust and gas formed a spinning disk around the newborn star. Within this swirling cosmic platter, tiny grains of dust started sticking together, like cosmic dust bunnies. They grew into clumps, then rocks, and eventually, over millions of years, they formed the planets of our solar system. And among these young worlds was a fiery molten sphere that would one day become our home. In its infancy, Earth was nothing like the blue marble we know today. It was a hellish world of lava and fire, under constant bombardment from asteroids and comets left over from the solar system's construction. And then came one of the most violent events in our planet's history, a collision of unimaginable scale. A rogue planet, about the size of Mars, which scientists have named Theia, slammed into the young Earth. The impact was cataclysmic. It released so much energy that it melted both worlds, turning them into a single molten mass and blasting a massive cloud of debris into orbit. Over thousands of years, this ring of superheated rock and dust slowly coalesced, pulled together by gravity, to form our moon. But this cosmic crash did more than just give us a companion in the night sky. It knocked Earth off its feet, tilting our planet's axis by 23.5 degrees. This tilt is the very reason we have seasons, climate cycles, and complex weather patterns, all crucial for the eventual development of life. And with the moon orbiting much closer to Earth than it does today, its powerful gravity created massive ocean tides. These tides acted like a giant cosmic washing machine, mixing nutrients in the early oceans and helping to shape the very first ecosystems. But even with the moon and seasons, there was still one essential ingredient missing: water. Without it, life as we know it could never have begun. The early Earth was a dry, rocky wasteland. So, where did our vast oceans come from? This question baffled scientists for decades, a cosmic whodunit of epic proportions. And the prime suspect was hiding in plain sight, out in the cold depths of space. This brings us back to NASA's Deep Impact mission. Its target was Comet Tempel 1. The plan was audacious. Smash a projectile into the comet and analyze what came flying out. When Deep Impact's 820-pound copper impactor struck the comet at a blistering 38,000 kilometers per hour, it carved out a massive crater and ejected a plume of material into space. Telescopes back on Earth and on the main spacecraft watched intently. As they analyzed the light from the explosion, they made a stunning discovery. Locked inside the comet was frozen water ice that was older than the Earth itself. This was the smoking gun. Comets, it turned out, are cosmic water carriers. They are essentially giant, dirty snowballs made of ice, dust, and organic molecules, the fundamental building blocks of life. Okay, so comets have water. But how did that water get to Earth? The answer lies with the undisputed king of our solar system, Jupiter. This gas giant's immense gravitational pull acts like a cosmic slingshot. As comets from the outer solar system journeyed inwards, Jupiter's gravity would disrupt their paths, flinging thousands of them toward the inner planets. Many of these comets, packed with frozen water, embarked on a collision course with early Earth. Each impact delivered a fresh payload of water, like a cosmic delivery service. Over hundreds of millions of years, this relentless bombardment, known as the Late Heavy Bombardment, slowly filled the planet's basins, creating the first oceans. And we have geological evidence to back this up. Scientists have found tiny, incredibly durable mineral crystals called zircons in ancient rocks from Western Australia. By analyzing these crystals, they determined that liquid water existed on Earth as far back as 4 billion years ago, after the planet itself formed. This timeline fits perfectly with the theory of a cometary water delivery. So, piece by piece, the incredible story comes together. The molecular cloud gave birth to our sun and planets. The colossal impact with Theia created our moon and gave us the seasons. Jupiter's immense gravity played cosmic pinball, sending water-rich comets hurtling our way. And from this amazing chain of cosmic coincidences, life finally had a chance to begin. Today, when you look at the oceans, the rivers, or even a simple glass of water, just remember, every single drop is a gift from the stars. It traveled across billions of kilometers, through fire and ice, to make this planet the only home we've ever known. So, we've solved the mystery of Earth's water. But that just leads to another question. Where did our oxygen come from? Let me know your theories in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this cosmic journey, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more incredible stories of space, science, and the secrets of our universe. Until next time, keep wondering, and keep exploring. The universe is full of stories just waiting to be told.